So as soon as you registered via Google on our website, you're getting access to your internal account as a customer on our website. Here you can modify or create, if you haven't created yet, your request for your payment institutions from the scratch. You can also change a banking type if you changed your mind or if you want to create some requests from the scratch. You can choose the jurisdiction you want. According to the jurisdiction, you will have the different licenses type over here. After, you can choose the software. You can change all the settings you want for your payment institution to be created. And then you'll submit the application. So our manager will see this and contact you as soon as possible. Or you can also book a call using the Calendly, and our team of experts will consult you on the project you want to start, on the payment institution you want to create. Here also you have the separate link for creating yourself the bank. Here in the compliance link you can upload your files, so we'll better know you as a client and we can choose the best services for you. You can choose the variety of legal services you might want or need. In Buy Ready-Made Licenses, you can search using the filter on jurisdictions on different geolocations, or here you can just type of license you want to search. Then you can easily choose what license you're interested in, see the short brief, and apply, so we will contact you on this particular license to consult you. Also, in your internal account, you can list your own license for sale by just filling this short form over here, leaving your contact details, your business information, and send it to us, so we'll verify it and contact you in order for you to sell your license. As soon as you will have some active projects going on, here you can manage your balance, so you will know how much you already paid and how much it's left for you to pay for your project to become completed. And also here you have an internal chat. You can choose the manager and contact him with whatever questions you might have. After you created the chat, here you will have the notifications if something have changed or if you have a response from the manager. Thanks a lot for watching. We hope you enjoy using our platform and feel free to contact us with all the questions you might have.